Okay, so I think all of you can see. Is it clear? I think it's visible for you, all of you. Okay, so phonetics means what? This is the study of sounds that we make when we speak. For example, the word dog. Dog is made up of three words like D-O-G. Okay, these three alphabets, you can see the different sounds. This one is D-O-G. But when we say this alphabets together, then we say dog, not D-O-G. We say dog. Similarly, the word cat, C-A-T. But when we say this word, then we say cat. Okay, this is the sound. So you can see there are actually there are how many letters? 26 letters, 26 alphabets in English, that is A to Z, and each of these letters can be pronounced in different ways, in different words. So we can see that with these 26 letters we can create a more than 26 sounds. Nah? So when we speak English, we can use these alphabets. With these alphabets we can make a more than 26 sounds. So this is why a word is a spelling doesn't always match its pronunciation. Okay, so let us check for here the example A. Like you can see here, mat, M-A-T, mat, A-P-P-L-E, apple, and pack. Here you can see the sound A, mat, apple, pack. So A is pronounced as A. Here you can see second, C-A-R, car, P-A-S-T, past, P-A-R-K, park. So here you can see A. A is pronounced as A. Here it was A. Here A. And here C-A-L-L, call. In third example you can see C-A-L-L, call, ball, saw, S-A-W, saw. So here O, isn't it? So alphabet is same, A, but the pronunciation is different. Here A, then A, and here O. So this is, you can see, that pronounced differently in different words. Okay, so there are different types of sounds. We have now seen how the letters of the alphabet are not enough to exactly match the many different sounds we make when we speak. So we will see the three basic types of sounds. That is, first one is vowel, diphthongs, and consonants. Okay, vowels means what? Like A, E, I, O, U. I think all of you know A, E, I, O, U. These five are vowels. But with these five vowels, we can create a 12 vowel sounds. Okay, so this means most vowels can be pronounced in different ways. We make a vowel sound when we read a vowel in a word. Just for example, you can see here vowel sounds EE. When it is long EE sound, then it's like a sleep, deep, that is long E sound, sleep, deep, feel. Okay, so these are the long EE sound. Here you can see short I sound like bit, sit, fill in the blanks like fill. So I is in short sound. Okay, so you can see here I, short, bit, sit, fill. So this is short I. Next one is short U, like book, B-O-O-K, book, P-U-T, put, F-O-O-T, foot. So this one is here you can see the short U sound. Okay, and long U sound here, boot, do, to. Okay, shoe is different, but double O here you can see here, that is double O sound, U, long U. So these are the different vowels. Okay, next one is diphthongs. Diphthongs means what? That is the combination sound of two vowels. When two vowels make a sound, like you can say OU, ow. So this type of sounds is called sounds as a vowel, but the combination of two vowels. So that is diphthongs. So here we make a diphthong sound when we combine two vowels. It start as one vowel and sound and go to another. Like here ou, au, house. So here you can see two sounds, a, u, house. Okay. Similarly here you can see diphthongs ea, deer. So you can see two sounds. It starts with e and end with a, ear, dear, fear, near. So these are ea sound. Okay. Similarly ae, rate, game. So these are ae sound. Similarly oa, like goat, boat, wrote, loan. So these are two combination of two vowels. Here mouse, house, cloud, cow. So these are two vowel sound. Next one is consonants. Consonant means what? A consonant sound is any sound that is neither a vowel nor a diphthong sound. Okay, so that is consonant. Like you can say top. Top ends with p, per pronunciation. So that is consonant. Understand? Like ticket, t. So that is consonant. Here you can see consonant sounds. P is stop, pop, up. So these are the per sound. Report. Similarly T sound, put, story, tunnel, T sound. Here you can say K sound, like book, scold. C here you can see K, scold, music. C is pronounced as K, music. Okay, so these are consonants. Similarly L sound, look, place, school. Okay, so these are the, you can see the consonant that is neither vowel nor diphthong. That is consonant sound. So there are different types of sounds we have seen, that is vowels, diphthongs and consonants. These are the basic type of sounds. Now today we have seen this, so you read this and see the video again, and if you have any problem anywhere, then you ask me in comment box, and if you understood then also comment. Okay, so that I can understand you have got it or not. Okay, thank you.